Okay, we're gonna play Chubby Bunny.
Okay. I'm gonna suck at this. I have like the smallest mouth ever. So, who do you want to go first?
You can go first.
No.
Okay.
I don't want to.
Wait, and you squish it and make it smaller somehow. Okay, now run. Chubby Bunny. Yeah. Chubby Bunny.
Are we supposed to keep our mouth closed?
You don't have to.
Okay. My turn?
Yeah.
Hi, boy.
Chubby Bunny.
Ah.
Ew, I ripped it.
What are you guys doing? 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 What are you guys doing?
Ew, that's not come out.
Oh my god. Dude, I have like the smallest mouth ever.
That's, how many did you get?
Like 3?
That's
Told
we
you
only,
so.
I actually got 4 this time. Woo.
I have the smallest mouth ever.
You want some marshmallow?